Good morning, plumbers. Good morning, YouTubers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my two sons the plumbing trade. And for today's plumbing adventure, I'm swapping out some flushometers, and the first step in that process is to shut down the water, and I'm going to change 6, 9 main valves and the escutcheon on the wall, and put all the flush valves in the valve itself, and then we're going to go ahead and put the flushometers in, or we're going to change all the main valves at the same time. So stay tuned and we'll see you inside. We're changing out the Sloan Flushometers. Everything is going great until I get to this one, and the threads break off the adapter that comes from Sloan. So now I gotta solder. Not only do I got one, I got 2 urinals to do also. Just when you thought it was going to be an easy Friday, bam, the plumbing god struck me down. Now I gotta solder. Who don't love solder on a Friday in the 1 o'clock hour? Why would it be easy today? Look at this thread just breaking down. So we're going to unsweat it, put a new adapter on, like so, and be back in the game. I already did 2. I just want to show you guys this one here. Don't melt the cup yet. Ooh. Ooh, it stinks. Fresh urinal piss. I love it. What's happening here? They did it here. What's happening here? Come on now. Alright, we're going to just solder this off first. We'll worry about that in a minute. Here we go. A little sandpaper. I don't have my 1-inch brush with me. Sand it real good, like so. I know it can come off because it goes over the fitting. Don't melt the coupling, maybe. You look good. And a quick wipe down. Let's see what we can do here now. Mother fudger. Alright, so I'm going to cut it with the pipe cutter. I'll cut it as close as I can get it. Can't be easy, man. Push it in the wall. And then put the new one on. Now here's a question. Can I get it close enough to push it in the wall? Without scratching the wall. Of course, this wasn't done before tile guys came in. Why would it be like that? Just enough, and then I'll come off. All right, baby. Unbelievable. All right, give me a piece. 3 3/4. I got my number 20 cutters. Just when you thought you were getting done in 10 minutes, bang. This is what the other guy didn't do. See? On and off. All right, now. Slow down, dude. All right. There we go. Little insurance. I like the Teflon and a little pipe dope. Just so we ain't gotta kill ourselves with tighten it on. And guess what I got, everybody? A new toothless pipe wrench. No more scratching the flushometer. I am progressing in my plumbing career. And here we go. Yes, sir. Now we gotta test it. Boom. Make sure everything's off. Boom. Alright. So far so good. No leaky. We got the valves changed. A nice little surprise of some broken threads on the adapters. Little bit of a curveball, but this is why you gotta learn how to solder, everybody. In the ProPress era, in the PEX era, that was a solder situation, and I had to go back to my skill level of soldering to get the job done. So many phases of plumbing to learn for you apprentices out there. With that, we'll see you at the next one, and you know. And there goes another satisfied customer. Have a great day.